what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Lou. What's your name?
My name is Blue.
My name is Tony.
My name is Tony.
Very good. How old are you?
How old are you?
Tony, how old are you? I'm
5, Hanky and Jill.
I'm 4 years old.
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Tony, I'm from Vinh City.
Vietnam.
Okay. What's your favorite food? My favorite
favorite
food.
food.
Okay, Tony. What's your favorite food?
Food.
My favorite food is. Do you like noodles, egg, fish? Okay. All right. Tony, what color is this?
It's blue.
It's what color? Look.
It's
It's
blue.
it's green.
It's green.
Next one.
It's white. It's white.
Very good.
It's orange. It's blue.
Good.
It's yellow.
Very good. What fruit?
It's meat. It's fish. It's soap. It's eye.
It's an. It's an.
It's eye.
It's an egg.
It's an egg.
Next one.
It's yellow. It's candy.
It's a rubber.
It's a rubber.
All right. Next one.
It's a bat.
Good.
It's a pencil.
Good. It's a bin.
It's a pen.
Okay. What animal?
It's an elephant. It's a zebra.
It's a parrot.
It's a pencil.
Okay. Next one.
It's a monkey.
It's a.
A monkey. It's a zebra. It's an egg.
It's a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Okay. Tony, don't touch it. All right. Next one. What number is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Okay. Now, Tony, where is your head?
Where is your head?
No. Show me your head.
Show me your head.
This is my head.
That is your head.
How about your shoulders?
Shoulder.
Tony, where are your shoulders?
Shoulder.
Where are your knees?
Knee.
Show me, point, knees. Shoulders.
Shoulder.
Okay, where are your toes? Toes.
Toe.
Okay. Tony, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Can you stand up? Stand up. Can you kick? Kick. Kick. Can you kick? That's throwing. Can you kick? Kick. All right. Can you dance? Dance.
Can you lamb?
Can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. All right. Okay.